Okay, it's finally getting light enough to get some pictures. This is my patio door. And the snowdrift outside of my patio. And as we look outside, it's still snowing. And the snow is incredibly deep. Let me see. There's my neighbor's flag blowing over there. Don't know if we can even see that. Let's see. Yep, there's the flag blowing. It's just... there's a snowdrift. We have a tarp covering stuff, and that is the snowdrift on top. This is my neighbor's house. I'm going to get another shot of it in a second. It will just... it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is crazy. It's a snowdrift on the side of my house. My God.